there! Recently, my friend Rahul visited his uncle, who is a farmer, and to help him, he decided to plow his field. It took Rahul 3 days to complete the job. Hence, we can say he did 1/3 of the work every day. This is Rahul's cousin Vivek, who also has a piece of land in the same area. Vivek takes 6 days to plow his field, which means he does 1/6 of the work every day. Now Rahul and Vivek have decided to help each other and they are going to work on Rahul's field first. How much time do you think they'll take to plow it together? Let's find out. We know that daily Rahul does 1/3 of the work and Vivek does 1/6. So, if they work together, the total amount of work done in one day will be 1/3 plus 1/6, which is half. And the total time they'll take to finish the work together can be calculated by dividing the total work done by the amount of work done in one day. The total work done is taken as 1 unit and the amount of work done by Rahul and Vivek together in one day is equal to half. 1 divided by half is 2 and therefore together they'll take 2 days to plow Rahul's field.